One of the services that we offer within Oxley's is a therapy called DBT, and we'll have a young person talking about their experience of DBT coming up in this video.
DBT stands for Dialectical Behaviour Therapy, and it is an intensive treatment for young people who have difficulties with emotion dysregulation and self-harming behaviours. It is a recommended treatment for young people that have these difficulties by the NICE guidelines, and in our team specifically, we work with young people up to the ages of 18, and we help them understand their harmful behaviours and replace these with more skillful behaviours so that they can build their life worth living.
When I was 17, I was referred to DBT from my old therapist because I had faced a few struggles in my preteen years, whether that was at school or with my home life or with my friends and myself. And I had tried everything else for so long and I just didn't really feel like anything was changing. Since I did DBT, I have learned lots of valuable skills that I still use in my day-to-day life, whether that's pros and cons or not thinking in black and white. I had learned all these skills to try and control how I really feel and get my point across without it needing to be explosive. I made a whole bunch of friends through group and I've learned so many skills, and I've learned to just be able to be me without upsetting anyone. Even though the truth can be difficult to say out loud, you won't be able to move on unless you face your fears. And I think that's one of the biggest things that I got taught, is that you need to face your fears in order for your life to progress. I learned that in order for things to change and for you to feel less alone and for things to get better, you have to want to. It's really very much a case of your therapists are there to help you, and they do listen to your problems and they are not judgmental at all. They actually really do care about you and your feelings. I really want to scuba dive in different places. I'd love to be a crazy cat lady when I'm 80, living in a little cottage in the middle of nowhere with my hundreds of cats, and maybe one day I can have my dream of meeting Billie Eilish or interviewing her, or you're just getting a high five. But my biggest one is I want to help people, whether that's strangers or people around me that I know, friends, family. I want to be able to help people. I want to be the kind of person people can come to when they feel like they need just someone to talk to about anything or they need advice. I want to be able to maybe change people's mindsets the way mine was changed.